How to use two WhatsApp in one phone. So if you want to use two WhatsApp in your one device, I'm going to show you two ways on how you can do that. The first one is open up WhatsApp and you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on settings. Here you want to tap on chats and then you want to tap on chat backup. So over here you want to tap on the backup option and make sure that all of your chats are backed up. So once you have done that, you want to head over to your Play Store and now search for WhatsApp. So here you want to make sure that WhatsApp is fully updated. If it's not updated, tap on the update button to update WhatsApp to the latest version. Once you have done that, in some devices, you're going to find the option of install second WhatsApp when you tap and hold on the WhatsApp icon. So this second icon for WhatsApp will appear on your home screen and you'll be able to use a different account in the second copy. But this option is not available for a lot of devices. It's not available in mine as well. So I'm going to show you a very easy and common way on how you can do that. So for that, you want to open up your Play Store again, and here you want to search for an app called Parallel Space. Open this exact app. You need to install this app, and after that you need to tap on open. So now you need to unselect all of the other applications and make sure that only WhatsApp is selected. So tap on Add to Parallel Space. Tap on Accept and give all the permissions. Once you have done that, here you have created a new WhatsApp on the Parallel Space. So tap on WhatsApp, tap on Install. So for this to work, you will have to download another app called Parallel Space 64-bit support. So tap on Install to do that. Once it has been installed, you don't want to open it, but you simply want to go and open Parallel Space, the first app that you have downloaded. And now tap on WhatsApp. And now tap on Grant for all the permissions. And here, as you can see, a second WhatsApp has been created on your device. So the only thing is you will have to go in the Parallel Space app in order to open the second WhatsApp. So this is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.